conjunction and critical government projects and cases involving government assets. I am just a co-worker also, ladies and gentlemen. May I be allowed to be also just as frank? Total, wala naman akong inaano eh. I do not mean to offend you, but I cite, for example, the Supreme Court TRO that prevents the Department of Health from distributing subdermal implants which cost the West States of $250 million worth of taxpayers' money. I also note that since its issuance 2 years ago, this TRO has impaired the government's ability to fully implement responsibly planning and family planning and methods in the RH law. It is time that we put an end to the practice of some parties of resorting technicalities in our laws, prevent the government from fulfilling its mandate. Ganito yan, ma'am. Total, this is as good as any other time to talk to you. And may I be understood by you. I am sorry to say this. Really, I am. I do not intend to do it. But if we have to talk about government and our sins, which I am not an exception, or our, delays, lahat naman tayo nagkakamali. Ganito yan. Two things. Wala na talaga akong panahon. I don't know if I can make another SONA again in the future. It's not for me to tell. Itong TRO has been the bane of projects. And even konsonghe yung mga Ayala nag-aawa yan. Just to make you understand na hindi lang kayo. Tapos yung TRO na yan would delay the projects. Now, God, and I'm asking Congress, find me a law na kung may bidding naman at it was regular, so dapat ang korte or somebody else should not be messing it up. Because it will delay the projects, which has been the case in the provinces. Alam mo, mag-file yan ng kaso, either it is really the truth, well, the COA will find out, or makihati siya. I will withdraw the case and dissolve the TRO, of course. Then you just give me a few, 10%. Ganon ang ugali ng Pilipino. Kaya yung TRO na yan is the bane of our efficiency. And I really do not know whether, I will not attribute anything, ma'am, sa Supreme Court. Maybe I am at fault, so I am sorry if I misquote or I did not have the complete facts. But itong Congress na ito passed the reproduction law. It was already a law na dapat i-implement because we were really going into a family planning. I am not for abortion. I am not for birth control, but certainly I am for the giving of the freedom to a Filipino family the size ng pamilya niya. How many children would they be able to support and send to school? Ang nangyari nitong TRO, sir, ma'am, may nag-file doon sa inyo, Supreme Court. Tapos nag-issue kayo ng TRO 2 years ago. In the meantime, ang gobyerno nagbili ng medisina, itong subdermal, pati itong mga pills, worth 360. It was not really a reckless purchase. It was in preparation for the implementation of the law. Because hindi naman akalain na mag-TRO, and it has been 2 years. The medicines will expire next month. I told Obial, the health secretary, to find out if there is a nation which would allow it, and i-donate na lang rather than go to waste. Yan ho ang nangyari. I do not blame you. You might have been very busy or something. Wala, ako, I'm just, I am below you actually. Pero, sinasabi ko lang, may isa pa. Huwag na lang itong speech, walang kuha dyan. The bane, isa pa, itong the Congress and tayo sa gobyerno, including the judges and justice, should understand that by this time, yung lowest bid, yun ang nagpo-promote ng graft and corruption sa ating bayan. COA, you are here. At maraman na lang ninyo na may violation ako. Doon sa military, I do not allow them to bid. That's just to buy the weapons from everywhere. Because almost all countries are making arms. The tawag nila small arms industry. We are just fighting a rebellion. True, we do not need the armaments. But dyan sa Marawi, you have to hit hard because they are prepositioned inside building. And until now, we cannot proceed fast because there are 300 hostages. Sabi ko, do not assault. If necessary, we'll just have to wait. Wait it out. But we have to give food. You do not do. I don't care if they are Moro or Christian. It's not, we do not have that luxury. Kasi pag there's a distinct possibility that we attack, they will just behead everybody. So find a way to do it. If you cannot find a way to do it, then just, I said, wait it out. Diyan ang nakatagal. Baka sabihin hindi marunong itong sundalo. Ako yung nagpipigil. Initially sabi ko, Bombay, sir, hindi talaga madala, sir. Every window is occupied, yung high-rise. And we were losing because of the snipers. And in the hurry, I said, slow down. Hindi ako nagyayabang, when I was in the camp, sa Ranao, well, I was being briefed by the military, and I was giving the instructions. I heard about 16 pumutok at saka yung bala na wing, wing, wing. Yung mga reporter nandoon sa likod ng stage kasi semento yun. We will, if this is the way how we should wait, then we will wait. Unless you can find a solution, somebody here with was the God, even a horse sense to negotiate for the release of. Yan. Yung itong isang abalik ko yung lowest bid. Alam mo, gano'n yan, Adre. Ang magbabagsak ng lowest bid, yung walang pera. Ang magbabagsak ng lowest bid, sasabihin niya doon sa, magbibigay po ako sa inyo. Kung sino-sino yan, mga opisyal. So, lowest bid, papanaluhin siya. So, with no capital, bibigay siya ng pera. Tapos bibigay, lahat bigyan niya, connected will, lahat. Pagkatapos yan, if it is 100 million project, he has to pay so many guys. Ang naiwan niya 100, out of the 140 million na lang. So that is the cost of the project. So when I was campaigning for the presidency, I was all over the Philippines. My God, I could see the appropriation. Pero ang airport nila, 3 meters long. So ginawa na lang basketball court. And there is a province here. Hindi kayo. If you look into the records back in time, na puro na complex ang roads dyan. Talagang daan dito, daan doon. Pero pag pumunta, isang daan lang. It's only one highway. That is how corruption destroys the nation. Ngayon, last. I have to say this. Kailangan ko, sir, sabihin, sir.